Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leora and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is boy oh boy am I gonna tease you today. Sweeties, you know what, this video is of course in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that is wrapping related that you're going to see here. Plus today is not a real tutorial, but it is a teaser, and that is something that Wrapunzel and I have cooked up lately in those last weeks, because we just wanted to do something different, you know, something new, something exciting, and that is what we're doing today. So today I'm going to give you a teaser of the upcoming fall line, the fall releases from Wrapunzel, which is so exciting. Okay, sweeties, you have to bear with me because I am super thrilled that I can do this, you know. I'm so glad that I can show you something so gorgeous. Now today I'm going to show you two scarves of the upcoming fall line, and there's of course going to be more, and there's going to be different colors of different scarves and all of that. I'm going to talk a tiny little bit about that, of course, in the more tutorial kind of part that is coming right now. But anyway, just saying, keep your eyeballs polished because gorgeous stuff is on the way. So without further ado, let's go right into the teasing zone. Alright sweeties, let's go right into it, and this is gonna be so fun because that is actually something that I was super enjoyed, to show you new stuff and to sort of tell you all the things. Oh, okay, so let's maybe start with this one. This is the Tango Twirl scarf in spring green. Sweeties, you gotta see this one. This is so gorgeous, really. I mean, the fall line, sweeties, this is gonna be so amazing. And this is a huge scarf, okay? This is a very large. Oh, if you can see this. So this beautiful pattern goes across the whole thing, and there's just like a frame outside around it that is plain. And then I'm gonna also bring this a little bit closer. They are like gold sparkles. I think it should pick it up, the gold sparkles that are like here and there on the scarf, and it's gorgeous, sweeties. And it's also going to come in other colors, okay? So, but my Wrapunzel friends, they know me and they know that Leora lives for green, so it was just the obvious choice to send me this one. Okay, so this is spring green, and I will just wrap this in a regal wrap, and also the other one that I'm going to show you, I'm going to just wrap them each one in a regal wrap, and then at the end we're going to do a combined wrap with both of them, okay? This is of course just an example of the fall line. These are just two scarves. Of course there's going to be way more, but anyway, I mean, a girl's got to start somewhere, okay? I'm already losing my grip from all the excitement. Yeah. All right, so let's just put this down so you can see. I'm wearing my Wendy shaper in blonde, and yeah, so just a regal wrap. Oh, this is so beautiful, just like this. Sweeties, seriously. Okay, so I'm going to just put the frame part here. I'm going to just flip this inside a little bit because I really just want to have this beautiful pattern. It's just awesome. So pretty. It's like this country style folklore beauty, you know, and I'm totally living that kind of a life. So let's just put it down like this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, this just this scarf is like, wow. I'm not 100% sure now which other colors are coming, but there are a couple more colors, I'm pretty sure. And this is gorgeous, sweeties. Now anyway, you can of course also, like, you know, make it like this so it shows a little bit more. So it's just an example, okay? So let's not take this too serious. Really? All right, so this is the one. This is the Tango Twirl scarf in spring green. And now I'm going to show you the other one, which is the ethereal twilight scarf. And I figured, of all the things that I got from Wrapunzel now, from the fall line, that these two I definitely immediately wanted to show you because they are sort of ranking super high already. Okay, so this is in the shade Rose, or in the color Rose. And this is how it looks. Yeah, this is gonna be gorgeous. Okay, so this is the color. rose, like a dusty rose, but now look at this. Ta-tam! Yeah, so here we have this whole area of like I don't even know what it's called in English, but anyway, you see what it is, right? And then we have also the pearls on it, and this is like it's going the whole length of the scarf. Okay, from one side to the next. And also this is a pretty large scarf. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm of course going to do a regal wrap as I told you, but I want to, let me figure this out. I'm going to try, I honestly don't know. Let's just flip in this, wow, I forgot how to say this in English. Sometimes words just drop out of my brain. Yeah, all right, we have been locked in too long probably. So anyway, let's just do it like this, so we have the full impact of this beautiful part here, like this. This is gonna be, you know, this is gonna be so regal, seriously. Like this looks like a regal headpiece of like a queen, you know? Like how can it be more fitting, right? Okay, so let's just try to find this beautiful part here. Which one is the right side? Okay, wrapping like this when you have like a certain piece that you want to feature is sometimes a little bit difficult. So we're trying our best. All right, so I'm just gonna tuck this in somewhere here, and I'm going to try to cover it up with the other side. It's always so strange when your brain has to sort of think differently when you're looking at what you're doing in the mirror, but it sort of feels like you have to do the opposite of what you feel. Like really. Do you feel that too, or is it just me? Because seriously, I feel that all the time when I'm wrapping. I feel like, what am I doing? Because it sort of feels like my instinct tells me to go the other way, but then I see in the mirror that I actually, you know what I mean? I don't know. So, all right, these are the ramblings, but, huh? What are we thinking? This is gorgeous, sweeties. Seriously, I mean, look at this. All right, I told you it's a teaser. I told you. All right, so that is that. So now let's take this off. And now I think what I'm going to do, while I have this already sort of on, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like move this a little bit, and I'm going to try to do like a crisscross kind of an idea. Now there is already tutorials on this, so this is not a tutorial. It's just like a playtime kind of thing. But still, I want to also see how this looks when it's together, wrapped together with the Tango Twirl scarf. So I'm just going to try to do it like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a knot behind my head. There are all kinds of ways to do this crisscross, or there are also different names for this. I think one of them is crisscross. So this is my way, okay? Like you don't have to do it this way. Okay, so now you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to cover up this part right now, because I could now use this scarf, fold it in, and then basically layer it down like this, but like have it reach all over. But I think I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to just fold it and just have like a strip. You know what I mean? It's playtime, okay? All right, let's just do this. I'm going to like fold it like this, and then I think I'm going to take it in a third or something like this. So again, this border part where I don't have the pattern is going to be like flipped inside, so it's sort of safely out of the way, not because it's ugly, just because I want to have like the full impact of this beautiful pattern like this. And I think now I'm just going to layer it like this. I could even, you know what, I could even go thinner. Let's just go thinner. Like this, okay. Okay, I'm aware that the shaper is still peeking out here. I'm going to take care of that in just a second. Okay, so I'm just going to, now that it's all safe and tight, I'm just going to push the shaper in a little bit and just drag these two pieces a little bit to the front. Okay, so anyway, all right, now I'm taking this one up here. Now I just have to sort it out again to see which side has to be up. I don't think it's that critical even, because like everything is really, really beautiful, but let's just try our best here. This way. Okay, and the cool thing with the zigzag, crisscross, whatever the name is, wrap, is that really the layers themselves do not need to be super tight or tidy. It just has to be sort of lining up here. But here, you see, this is not tidy at all, but it doesn't have to be. And I think this is really, really cool, because especially like when you're not in the mindset of having a very, very tidy wrap, or also maybe if you're new, you know, to all of this, it gives you a little bit more like room to wiggle, you know? Yeah. Okay, so this now, and then I'm going to take, of course, this part over again. Let me just sort this out. Like this. Working against my brain, seriously. Okay, something like that. Oh, sweetheart. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this. Really, really loving this. This is so gorgeous. So, sweeties, this is how it looks now. Does anyone like it? All right, so yeah, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to sort of, you know, push it in the right direction so it looks halfway even. I think I have a bit of a bulk here, which I could have maybe done a little bit better. But anyway, it's not that serious. So this is how it looks now. All right, so the good thing also is that we don't have any fringes in any of those two scarves. So in case you are worried about fringes and that bothers you or something, you know, you don't have an issue here. I think it's gorgeous. They are both so, so beautiful, and there is so much more coming. Sweeties, hold your breath. Seriously. Okay, so this is it. I hope you did enjoy this little teaser. I had the best time ever. You know, it is so much fun after like 2 years of straight tutorials the whole time, which is kind of sometimes, you know, because for me, I just want to play. That is my creativity, because I don't take this serious. I mean, I take this collaboration seriously and I take my work seriously, but the creativity, I think that is the key, to just play, you know, and this is just super playtime, and I love this. This is, you know, this is so cool. So anyway, so hold your breath, because it's coming super, super soon. Make sure to follow Wrapunzel on social media so you will be notified of the launch date, or of course check on their website, because there is super nice stuff coming. So anyway, also if you want to order something, you can of course use my discount code, which is Queenly Aura in all caps in one word, which will give you 5% off your order. It is affiliated, so if you want to support my channel in that way, or my work in that way, then thank you so, so much. I really do appreciate it. Besides that, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, because we are having a lot of fun here, and I wholeheartedly love everybody who is here. And besides that, I'm going to see you here super soon for my next video, and up until then, definitely go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.